In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the recorder docker in Krita. If you've ever wanted an easy way to capture your drawing process directly inside Krita, the built-in recorder docker is a lightweight solution that saves snapshots of your canvas at set intervals. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to turn it on, and how to configure it so your recordings are saved the way you want. First, open Krita on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you're using a custom layout, that's totally fine. Everything we need is available from the main menu no matter how your panels are arranged. Next, go to the top menu and open the settings menu. From there, hover over Dockers. This is where Krita keeps all of its optional panels. Scroll through the list and click Recorder to enable it. If it's already checked, the Docker is active. Clicking it again won't be necessary. Once enabled, the Recorder Docker will appear in your interface. By default, it often docks along the right side, but you can drag it to another area if that suits your workflow better. With the Recorder Docker visible, take a moment to review the options. You'll see a setting to choose the directory where your captures will be saved. Click to browse and pick a folder you can easily find later, ideally on a fast local drive with enough free space. Below that, adjust the capture interval. This determines how often Krita takes a snapshot. Shorter intervals create more frames and smoother playback later, while longer intervals keep file counts smaller. Choose what makes sense for your session length and storage. You can also select the image format. PNG is lossless and great for quality, while JPEG can reduce file sizes if you're managing space. If there's a quality slider for compressed formats, move it higher for cleaner results and lower if you need lighter files. Some setups may show options related to canvas-only captures or other preferences. Pick the choices that match how you want your process documented. Once you've set the folder, interval, and format, your recorder's configured. You can start painting, and with your chosen settings, your progress will be captured automatically. If you ever don't see the panel, return to Settings, Dockers, and confirm Recorder is checked. And that's it. You've enabled the Recorder Docker in Krita and tuned the key settings so your work in progress is saved reliably. Happy creating and enjoy reviewing your art process with clean, organized captures.